Hi, this is Sayali from Sayali's Art. Today's video is on tea light candle decoration. For this, I have taken a piece of card sheet and cut few circles out of it. Pasted few such circles together with fevistick to make it a bit thicker. Then I have cut the same circle on the golden glitter paper and used it on the top. If you don't have the glitter paper, you can just use a cardboard or a card sheet. Now I am going to put the candle holder in the middle. I have these roses which I got from the local shop and some kundans. With that, I got a net cloth to wrap the roses, something like those you get in a bouquet. Now I have to check what I can do with it. I even have a green glitter paper to make some leaves. I will be uploading few more such different decoration videos too. So if you like to watch my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. It's super simple to make. You can make it in half the price yourself at home. Let's continue. I did stick the kundans on one side. On the other side, I made some leaves to stick below the flowers. You can stick those a little outside so that it can be seen clearly. That I noticed after making it. On the top of it, we can stick the flowers with a net below it. With a glue gun, as I noticed, it won't stick with Fevicol. After you finish sticking the flowers, you need to cut the extra net. And this is how it looks. Nice, isn't it? But one thing I noticed, the candle should be a little bit higher just to avoid any accidents. So I just cut some more circles with the candle holder and pasted below the candle holder just to give it some height, and an extra leaf to make it more pretty. That's all, and a simple but attractive tea light candle stand is ready. I have a few more videos for this festival season, so do subscribe to my channel and keep watching and making beautiful things. Thank you.